I love it when companies listen to people. I always looked at Jade Rollers and thought to myself, like, this is great for the face, but what about under your eye? Under your eye is a very, very important part of your routine, your skincare routine as well. And so look at what they made. I love it. I love it. Under the eye and for the face. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, Miss Me. For those of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette, and here on our channel, if you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, and of course, live a fun and healthy lifestyle, then make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click the bell notification to be notified of when I upload. For those of you who've been watching me for a while, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't checked out my last video where I did a fun makeup tutorial, and I'll link it in the cards right here, check it out. Let me know what other videos you want to see, and let's get into this video all about Jade Rollers. So a company reached out to me and they sent me this Jade Roller. It's a rose quartz face Jade Roller. As I mentioned in the beginning, I love it when companies actually listen to people. So when I first saw this on Instagram, just so you guys know. You know when you're scrolling on Instagram and you see a bunch of advertisements or sponsored posts and you're like, So I originally saw this on Instagram and I thought, that's a pretty interesting new tool. So I started to read up on it, and I saw that they were mostly for the face. I didn't really see any for like under the eye. So I immediately thought, well, I think a roller like this would be a little too big to get under the eye, so it would be nice if a company would actually make one that you could use under your eyes. And so look at this one. Isn't this so cute? So this is for the face and this is for under your eyes. I'm going to show you guys a close-up of what it looks like. Now, the benefits of using a Jade Roller, they've been incorporated or a staple in Chinese skincare routines since the 7th century. Can you imagine? And they are believed to have healing and protective properties for the skin, including boosting blood circulation, reducing swelling, and allowing for deeper penetration of your skincare products. So this is what Jade Rollers look like. There's a whole lot of them. If you search for them on Amazon, eBay, if you're looking on Instagram and happen to see some, this is how they look. This is the one that I got, that the company sent me, JJL, where we care. The slogan is, we care about your skin, which I'm sure they definitely do. This is the one that they sent me. And the packaging, it looks super cool, super pretty. And now I'm going to show you guys how I use it. So here's a tutorial on how I use it. Okay, so I took off all of my makeup for the day and everything else, and now I'm going to show you guys how to use the Jade Roller. Now, it does come with instructions. I just took mine out of the freezer, so it's nice and cold. It does come with instructions, so I've already used it a few times, so I already know how to do it, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it as well. So now when it comes to the forehead area, ooh, it feels so nice and cold. When it comes to the forehead area, you want to swipe it toward the hairline, so that way about 3 times in each direction. So then this way is going to go like that. And you want to apply light pressure. This is what I think helps with like wrinkles and circulation and all that good stuff. Now for the face, I'm gonna go up this way. For the neck, I'm gonna also go up this way, and then I'm going to afterwards continue with my serum and my night routine. Now for under my eyes, I'm going to turn it around this way and just do the same motion under my eye. And that is it. You are done with using the Jade Roller for your night routine. Now it's recommended that you do this for 5 to 10 minutes. So I sped up some parts of this video, but I usually do this about 5 minutes before bedtime every night. And then in the morning, I use it for under my eye for, you know, to decrease the puffiness that I usually experience in the morning when I wake up. Now I'm going to continue on with my night routine and get back to the rest of this video. So what do you guys think? Are you interested in getting a Jade Roller? Are you interested in obtaining one? I am definitely going to put the link to the product in the description box down below. Make sure you check out JJL and let me know what you guys think about the Jade Roller, if you've ever used one, if you're interested in purchasing one. They're very, very inexpensive, I will say that. This was probably like between 10 to 15 bucks including shipping. Not very expensive at all, and it has quickly become a staple in my routine. I'm noticing since I've started using it that my under eye is a lot smoother, and especially when I apply my serum afterwards. And I'm also noticing that the products, I believe the serums that I'm putting on my face after I wash my face, I'm noticing that they're, I guess you could say they're penetrating better, or it's giving me more results than if I wasn't using the Jade Roller. So I know that it's because of the Jade Roller that I've been using. So here are some of the benefits. You definitely will notice, as I mentioned before, reducing the appearance of under eye circles, I believe, and lines. You're gonna notice that your pores are going to be tightened. They're going to help reduce the appearance of fine lines. Skincare products are going to be able to penetrate more deeply into your skin. And of course, you're going to be stimulating your lymphatic system and helping with blood circulation, which obviously helps to brighten your complexion, and a host of other benefits. An added benefit they mentioned is if you put this inside the fridge or the freezer and then you take it out in the morning and you use it, oh my goodness, it's gonna feel so good. And you know, when you get up in the morning sometimes, especially if you've been sleeping for a while, or if you get your 8 hours of sleep, then you notice that sometimes your face looks a little swollen when you go wash your face. I notice that every morning about my face, under my eyes, and my face just looks a little swollen because, you know, you've been sleeping in one position for a while. So this definitely helps to wake up your skin, if you will. And I've noticed that my skin definitely is feeling much more softer, and my pores are pretty much going away, which is good because my pores are big. But let me know if you guys are interested in this product. Make sure you check out the description box down below. Thank you so much for sending this product to me. I did receive this product in exchange for a review, and I'm very, very appreciative of it. It's my favorite color, pink. And I'll definitely continue to use it in my skincare routine, and I will definitely make a follow-up video and let you guys know what I really believe or what other benefits I've noticed to my skin since I've been using this product. So thank you so much for watching. Of course, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot and I really do appreciate it. Turn on those bell notifications to be notified of when I upload. Follow me on my social media, and I will see you all very soon in my next video. Bye!